Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Are you all ready for the English class?
Yes,
Today's class is for introducing the sounds ow.
How?
Okay. Today's class is for introducing the sounds of OU and OW. Are you all ready for the class?
Yes, please.
Okay. The letters with the combination of OU and OW gives us the same sound ow. All of you say the sound ow. Ow. OU வந்தாலும் சரி OW வந்தாலும் சரி ரெண்டுமே ஒரே சவுண்ட் தான் கொடுக்கும் ow. Now let's see some words with letter combination OU that gives us the ow sound. Listen to me carefully. Ow. How. Ows. Last letterல E வந்தா அது எப்பவுமே silent. ஓகேவா? Ow. Mow. Mouse. Mouse na மூஞ்சலி. House na வீடு. Kill. Ow. Cloud. Cloud. Cloud na மேகம். Now let's see with letter combination O and W, which also gives the same sound ow. Ow. Cow. Ow. Cow. Ow. Owl. Ow. Owl. Cur. Ow. Crow. Crown. Cur. Ow. Crow. Crown. Cow na மாடு பசு. Owl na ஆந்தை. Crown na கிரீடம். Do you all understood?
Yes,
Okay, now I am going to call from second standard Dina. You can come and sit here, Dina. Ready, Dina?
Yes, please.
Okay, can start.
Oh, coach. Oh, oh. Oh, row,
Crow.
row, row.
Very good. Clap for Dina. Very good, Dina. You can go to your place. Now from third standard Jayashree. You are going to read with letter combination O and U. Are you ready, Jayashree?
Yes, please.
Can start.
Ow, how, ows.
Very good.
Ow, mouse, mouse. Ow, cloud, cloud.
Super. Clap for Jayashree. You can go to your place. Okay. You all read very well. You can clap your hands again. Okay, now here you can see 2 ice creams. Summer season. I have started. I have written these words in the cool ice creams. Okay. Are you all ready to read these words now?
Yes, please.
Okay. Here I have written some more words with ow sound in these 2 ice creams. Now first I will teach you these words. You all listen to me carefully. Afterwards you can read these words. Okay. Listen to me carefully. Ow. T. Out. Ow. Loud. D. Loud. Kill. Ow. Cloud. D. Cloud. Ow. Row. End. Round. Ow. Foul. End. Found. Ow. Sow. End. Sound. Ow. Mouth. Mouth. South.
South.
Ow.
Ow.
Mow.
Mow.
Int. Mount.
Mount.
K. K.
Oh.
Ow. Cow.
Cow.
Int. Count.
Count.
Ow. How.
Cow.
Ouse.
Ow.
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 Mow.
Mouse.
Mouse. Now we are going to read words with ow sound and with the letter combination O and W. Okay, now listen to me. Ow.
Ow.
Now.
Ow.
T. Ow.
Ow.
Tow.
Cow.
Town.
Cow.
G. Ow.
Ow.
Gow.
Cow.
Gown.
Cow.
D. Ow.
Ow.
Dow.
Cow.
Down. Brr. Ow.
Ow.
Brow.
Brown.
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 Kill.
Kill.
Ow.
Ow.
Crow.
Crow.
Clown.
In. Clown. If.
Ow.
Ow.
Foul.
Foul.
Il.
In.
Foul.
Foul. Ha.
Ow.
Ow.
How.
How.
Il.
In.
Howl.
How.
Grr.
Ir.
Ow.
Ow.
Growl.
Growl.
Il. Growl.
Cloud.
Kurr. Ow.
Ow.
Crow.
Crowd.
D.
It.
Crowd.
Crowd.
Do you all understood?
Yes.
Okay, now from third standard, Rishwan can come forward. You are going to read these words in this ice cream with letter combination O and U. Are you ready, Rishwan?
Yes, miss.
You can start.
Is. Ow. Ow. It. Loud. Ick.
அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் சேர்த்து சொல்லணும்.
Kill.
ம்
Ow.
ம்
Cloud.
Mm.
It. Cloud.
வெரி குட்.
Ow. Row. In. Around. If. Ow. Foul.
ஆவ்
If.
ஆவ் ம்
Foul. In. Found. Is. Ow. Sow. In. Sound. Out. It. Mouth. Is. Ow. Sow. It. South.
குட்.
Ow. Mow. Int. Mount.
குட்.
Hick. Ow. Cow. Int. Count.
குட்.
Hit. Ha. 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 His house.
குட்.
Ow. Mow. His mouse.
Very good. Clap for Rishwan. Very good, Rishwan. You can go to your place. Now from third standard, Ashraf can come forward and you're going to read these words in this yellow color cream with combination OW which gives us the sound ow.
Hin. How. Now. Ow. Tow. In. Town. G. Ow. Go. In. Gown. D. Ow. Down. In. Down. Brr. Ow. Brow. In. Brown. Full. Ow. Crow. In. Clown. Foot. Ow. Fow. In.
Ill.
Fow. How. How. Ill. How.
Howl.
How. Grr. Ow. Grow. Ill. Grow. Crow.
Krr.
Grr. Ow. Crow. D. Crowd.
Very good. Clap for Ashraf. Okay, very good students. Do you like this activity?
Yes, miss.
Okay. In this activity, we have learned the ow sound with the letter combination OU and OW. OU வந்தாலும் OW வந்தாலும் நமக்கு single sound தான் கொடுக்கும் ow. Okay, do you all understood?
Yes, yes.
Okay.